Hello, my name is Libby Azaryahu and I'm a PhD student in the School of Education at the Bar-Ilan University in Israel. This is a video abstract for a recent study which was done with my colleague Susan Khoury and my supervisors Rivka Elkoshi and Esther Adi Yafe. The study entitled MusiMath and Academic Music, two music-based intervention programs for fraction learning in 4th grade students, will be published in Developmental Sience. Music and mathematics require abstract thinking and use symbolic notations. Controversy exists regarding transfer from musical training to math achievements. The aim of this study was to check whether a music intervention program emphasizing music notation will improve fraction knowledge among 4th grade students. In the current study, 3 classes of 4th graders attended 12 lessons on fractions in 6 weeks. One class attended the MusiMath holistic program, focusing on rhythm within the melody and listening to music. Another class attended the Academic Music acoustic program, replicated a previous research conducted by Susan Khoury in the US, and used rhythm only. The third class received regular fraction lessons. Students in both music programs learned to write musical notes and performed rhythmic patterns through clapping and drumming as part of the fraction lessons. They worked toward adding musical notes to produce a number and created addition and subtraction problems with musical notes. The music program used a 4/4 time signature with whole, half, quarter, and 8 notes. In the math lessons, the students learned the analogy between musical duration and half, quarter, and 8 fractions, but also practiced other fractions. Here you can see some examples of moving from musical notation to fractions and adding musical notes and their parallel fractions. Music and math were assessed before the intervention, immediately following the intervention, and 3 and 6 months post-intervention. Pre- to post-intervention analysis indicated that the MusiMath group showed greater transfer to intervention practiced and unpracticed fractions than the comparison group. The academic music group only showed a trend on practiced fractions. Although both music groups outperformed the comparison group 3 and 6 months post-intervention on practiced fractions, only the MusiMath group demonstrated greater gains in unpracticed fractions. Gains were more evident in practiced than unpracticed fractions. These findings are consistent with previous research suggesting an advantage for music instruction that stresses melody plus rhythm over rhythm only. The addition of another musical dimension, melody, which conveys additional natural divisions related to the musical form, may have facilitated the far transfer to fractions with denominators based on division different from 2. In conclusion, the results of the current study demonstrate the potential of using music to teach fraction concept in the elementary curriculum. Music instruction as an integral part of the elementary curriculum contributes to the concept of procedural knowledge of fractions. Teachers should consider the exact parallels between music and math when designing an integrated program. Future studies may include more explanatory variables that will elucidate these findings. Thank you very much.